See how in this eye look, my lack of a fuck really comes out. Bruh. Fuck. Who am I thinking? Hey, what's up? It's Adam, aka Pennywise. Today we're doing blue because I like blue. Let's do blue. My best drag queen makeup advice is to totally ignore where anything goes in regard to your anatomy as a human person. So my crease goes up there. She's ugly. Girl, define your crease before you do the thing. Like, define it with the color that you're using in the middle, or else you're stupid. So now that you're totally unblended after years of hard work, you're going to blend it. How? I don't know. Oh wait, fuck, you have to put it on the bottom. Okay, now you have all your colors down. So like, I have a slight bit of dark blue in the corner, and then the rest of it is my transition shade from my dark blue to my middle to my lighter blue to my white-ish blue. So I just look like an ocean. So now what you're gonna do is blend until you start crying. And don't be afraid to blend up and out. So that means no limit, just do it. This part terrifies me the most. So working with crappy makeup like I do, you see how all the fucking color is gone when you blend it? I'm not even done blending in here because I'm lazy, but all of the color disappears, literally all of it. You're gonna have to add your dark blue 8 times to get it correct, or at least in my experience. Now some people use a term that I've never really heard of in makeup. I think it's called cleaning your brushes? Don't know what that is. But so you see how the blue, there's a little, I guess you can't, there's a little bit of blue in my brush. So basically just dust it on your hand. He gone. So make sure to dust off before you do your light stuff because I've made this mistake many times. So I added a bunch of white eyeliner into there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cover the inner corner with glitter and you're gonna blend out the white into your blue on the bottom. That's it. My best advice on a look like this is to not cover it with your eyeliner. Instead, just put some mascara over that bench, call it good. We're gonna skip the mascara for now so I can do all my under eye stuff, etc, etc. And yes, I do my under eye stuff after I do my eyeshadow because the fallout was so bad with the eyeshadow that I use. So stop it. Stop looking at me. Fucking. So I just did my contour, which I really enjoy doing this way for some reason. Yeah, I have acne like every other teenager alive. So they're not even, which is perfect. Now I'm gonna put some loose powder under them to really cut that crease. I just like doing it this way. I don't know if you want a natural, you didn't come to the right place. I just layer my blush over my contour because I'm a fucking mess. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some loose powder under there and then I'm gonna start on the eyebrows, which I'm seriously gonna extend today because I just feel like it. So it's art, Helen. I'm an artist. I get paid in a fit tee. I don't get paid. So I did my brows and I did my forehead contour. Yes, I contour my forehead. And did my nose and then I powdered it down and I'm gonna highlight everything at the same time. So, yeah, I just touched up all the contour stuff I've done so far and then I'm gonna brush this off on camera and show you how bad it looks. I'm going to contour underneath. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now before I brush that off. So I will show you what that looks like. So I take my bronzer, not my actual contour, and just kind of put it under my jaw, haphazard. And when I brush off the loose powder, it should look really good. But if not, then I guess I'll cry about it, you know? Just a little under the chin because I have a really pronounced chin anyways. So... See, that makes the cut just like all the more clean. Look at her. Perfect. And my under the jaw contour doesn't look awful. Amazing. So now what we're gonna do is do finishing touches on contour and throw some really careful eyeliner into my eyes. Not on top of the eyelid, within the waterline, hopefully. If that doesn't work, then we'll just slap some mascara on it and call it good, or just put it in the corners. I don't own false lashes, and if I did, this would be a lot better, but I don't own false lashes. Well, I'm waiting for my mascara to dry so I can do one more coat before I'm done. I'm going to do my lipstick, which is going to be a challenge, because I'm not very good at lipstick in the first place, but I'm trying to do an ombre, so we'll see how this goes. 3 colors and unimaginable amounts of patience have got us here. Cute as fuck. I'm so proud of myself. What the fuck? I've never done good lip art, so excited. I'm gonna do my second coat of mascara and then I'll take shit tons of pictures because I'm super excited. Okay. Here we are, my first successful makeup look ever. I'd like to thank the Academy. I've never done good makeup, I'm so fucking excited. You gotta show the mistakes too.